All right, no wind gusts like that around the Southland today. Kcal News meteorologist Paul Deanno is back with your next weather forecast. Paul, a lot of folks still looking for some sunshine.
Yeah, right along the coast, we're still waiting for that sunshine to emerge, but it has emerged for most of us. And yes, the winds are very light, only 3 miles per hour in Ontario, but that dew point temperature is up. You felt the stickiness yesterday. It is still with us today, but it's going to be a pleasantly warm afternoon as long as you're not at the beach. The beach is not going to be warm. Ontario 76, likely into the mid 80s this afternoon. We are crystal clear now in the Inland Empire. We are clearing out in Orange County, just a few bits of clouds along the coastline. We're now clear out toward Long Beach, but some mid and high level clouds working their way through the San Fernando and San Gabriel Valley. I'd say by 1 o'clock, 90% of Southern California will be clear and sunny, but the coast will be the exception. You'll be the 10%. Malibu, it's only 61, but Burbank now 71. Ontario, San Bernardino, Riverside, Corona pushing 80 degrees. Hemet, you're already there at 84. It's already 90 in Victorville. Ventura County, you're still kind of cloudy. Thousand Oaks, 63, and Camarillo, 65. You will get sunshine this afternoon. Inland Empire specifically, warm afternoon, humid afternoon. We're in the 80s across the board. 2 o'clock, 85. 4 o'clock, 85. Maybe the kids have an outdoor practice for soccer or maybe beach volleyball this evening. At 5 o'clock, 83 degrees. Should be pleasantly warm outside. That said, the opposite is true for the entire year. We know how wet it was and has been. We know how cold or not warm it has been, but this is staggering. It's the coldest start to a year in Burbank since 1964. Not the coldest in the past 5 years or the past 10 years. This is the coldest it has been in the past nearly 60 years in Burbank. We simply have not had a warm spell yet. We've had a couple days of warm here and there, but the warm stuff really has stayed away. Guess what's getting here first? The monsoon season, which means thunderstorm activity increasing typically in our deserts, but sometimes it stretches into Southern California. And we will begin to see that in the Southern Sierra today. It gets a little bit closer as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday, with thunderstorms now bubbling up, perhaps toward the Antelope Valley. Over the San Gabriels or San Bernardinos, there's a 10 or 15% chance of a thunderstorm any afternoon from Wednesday through Saturday. You'll certainly notice a buildup of cloud cover over those locations. But for the metro area, a pleasant forecast, 75 to 79 degrees. That's your range of highs for the next 7 days with lots of afternoon sunshine, but we will have morning clouds. That's your forecast, Amy.
All right. Thanks so much, Paul.
Kcal 9 is now Kcal News.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.